Good morning, children. We have come to the third section of this chapter, part 3. The next subtopic is grafting in plants. In the previous chapter, we learned vegetative propagation, which was the method which we learned, layering in plants. I hope you have read and you have written the notes, updated your notes. Now, the next method is called grafting in plants. Now, what is grafting in plants? Suppose you have a mango tree in your house which has got strong roots and the stem and the leaves are very strong, leaves are very green, and it's a beautiful tree and you have got mango fruits also in it. You go to a friend's house and you see that those mangoes are more fleshy and juicy. So, in your mind you are thinking, I wish I had the combination of both these trees. Can I have the combination of both these trees? Yes, you can. That is called grafting in plants. What is grafting in plants? Now you have to select two trees. That is, the tree which will have its roots is called the stalk. One plant is selected for its root, that is called the stalk. That is, that root should be very strong. Now I told you went to your friend's house and you saw a mango tree where the mangoes were more juicy and fleshy. From there you will take a good stem and that is called the scion. The other is selected for each stem. You can choose a tree for its leaves, flowers or fruits, anything, and that is called the scion. So you are cutting a good branch of the scion and bringing it. Then you are peeling off this portion of the scion. Did you see? You're peeling off this portion with a scion with a knife. The scion contains the desired genes to be duplicated in future production. So you have selected the stalk, you have selected the scion. Both you are peeling off around 3.5 centimeter. The bark is peeled off from here and from here around 3.5 centimeter. After that, you are bringing the peeled off portion of the stalk and scion in contact with each other and wrapping them firmly with plastic. Did you see the picture? You have taken the stalk and you have taken the scion and both the peeled off parts are facing each other and you are tying with a plastic. After 2 weeks or later, you can see a new graft coming out. Did you see a new graft coming out? Yes. Then you cut off this portion and this will grow into a new plant. So what are the merits of grafting? Grafting is the fastest way of growing popular, desirable varieties of fruiting trees and flowering shrubs. It's a very easy way of growing quickly. Then many valuable plants respond easily to grafting. Now last class I taught you what is layering. So grafting is more easier than layering. Most of the plants respond to grafting than layering. This is page number 11 in your textbook. They have illustrated this with pictures. Now first here, see the rooted plant is called the stalk. You select a stalk and then you select a scion. You bring the stalk and scion, that is you are bringing the peeled off portion of stalk and scion in contact with each other. You are peeling off this part, you are peeling off this part. Then you are bringing both this part together here and tying it up. Cover it with a wax cloth or a plastic tape. After 1 month, what you do is you cut off from the above part of the stalk here and the below part of the scion. Then you keep this plant so that it attains proper growth. It will grow much taller and stronger. Once it attains proper growth, it can be replanted in a more suitable place and then it will grow into a new plant which will have the desired qualities of both the plants. So this is called grafting, children. Hope you have understood. Thank you. Now for the notes from till the previous page, I hope you have written in your science notebook. These are the two questions. What is grafting and what are the steps for grafting? Please draw the pictures also into your notebook. Okay, children, have a nice day. See you next time.